Have you ever wondered how Onpassive manages to stay ahead in the cutthroat world of business? In the grand chessboard of the corporate world, strategic planning is the grandmaster. It's the unseen hand that orchestrates success, the invisible thread that weaves together the tapestry of achievement. Enter Onpassive, a company that has not only understood this crucial element but has also mastered the art of strategic planning and execution. Onpassive is like a maestro, conducting an orchestra of strategies, each playing its part in the symphony of business success. From the way they leverage technology to their customer-centric approach, their strategies are a blend of innovation, foresight, and meticulous execution. They don't merely plan, they envision. They don't just execute, they excel. So, what's the secret sauce that makes Onpassive's strategies so effective? What's the magic formula that has propelled them to the forefront of their industry? Let's dive deeper to understand the secret strategies of Onpassive. But first, I'd like to ask you a big favor. Please help me build my channel and subscribe below. And in the comment, let me know what kind of information you're looking for, so I can help you find the success you're looking for. Also, give me a big thumbs up, and I will certainly appreciate it. Thanks. In an age where AI is revolutionizing industries, how did Onpassive leverage this technology? A compelling question indeed. Onpassive's journey into the realm of artificial intelligence was born out of the desire to enhance their operational efficiency and improve customer interaction. They recognized the transformative power of AI and took a bold step to integrate it into their business model. The first hurdle they faced was the steep learning curve. AI, with its complex algorithms and data-driven approach, presented a unique challenge. However, Onpassive didn't back down. They built a team of experts skilled in AI and machine learning and invested heavily in training and development. Then came the task of integrating AI into their existing systems. This was a major undertaking as it involved revamping their entire IT infrastructure. Yet again, Onpassive was up for the challenge. They worked tirelessly to ensure a seamless integration, and the result was a robust AI-driven system that streamlined their operations. But the journey didn't stop there. Onpassive knew that to truly harness the power of AI, they needed to use it to analyze and interpret data. They utilized AI's predictive analytics capabilities to better understand their customers' needs and preferences. This resulted in more personalized customer interactions and improved customer satisfaction. The results of Onpassive's AI integration were nothing short of impressive. Their operational efficiency skyrocketed, with a significant reduction in manual tasks and an increase in automated processes. Furthermore, their customer satisfaction rates improved, with a notable increase in positive feedback. But let's not forget the numbers. According to a study conducted in 2023, Onpassive's productivity increased by an astounding 30% after the AI integration. Their customer retention rates also improved, showing a 10% increase in the same year. So, what does this all mean? It means that Onpassive's AI integration was not just a technological upgrade, it was a strategic move that propelled the company to new heights and set a benchmark for others in the industry. Through strategic AI integration, Onpassive was able to streamline its operations and boost efficiency. And that, dear listeners, is how Onpassive leveraged the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize their business. In a market where the customer is king, how does Onpassive ensure customer satisfaction? To answer this, we must delve into the heart of Onpassive's strategies, where the customer reigns supreme. Onpassive's customer-centric approach is not a mere tagline. It's a philosophy that permeates every decision, every strategy, and every product they develop. This approach is rooted in a deep understanding of their customers' needs. They've invested countless hours into market research, customer interviews, and data analysis. The goal? To understand not just what their customers want, but why they want it, and how Onpassive can deliver it in a way that surpasses expectations. But knowing is only half the battle. Onpassive takes this knowledge and translates it into action. They've redesigned their product features, fine-tuned their services, and even revamped their customer service protocols to ensure they're not just meeting, but exceeding customer expectations. Onpassive's customer-centric approach is also about building relationships. They've cultivated a culture of transparency and trust, where customers feel heard, valued, and respected. This is not a one-way street. Onpassive encourages feedback, listens to their customers' concerns, and takes swift action to resolve them. Now let's talk about the impact. Onpassive's customer-centric approach has led to a significant increase in customer satisfaction and retention. Customers are not just satisfied, they're delighted. They're not just customers. They've become brand advocates, singing praises of Onpassive's products and services. Don't just take our word for it, listen to what the customers have to say. One customer gushed, "Onpassive's commitment to customer satisfaction is unparalleled. They've gone above and beyond to ensure we're happy with their services." Another noted, "Onpassive's products have significantly improved our business operations, but more importantly, they have always treated us like partners, not just customers." By putting the customer at the heart of its strategies, Onpassive was able to build a strong and loyal customer base. This is the power of a customer-centric approach. This is the Onpassive way. So, what sets Onpassive apart from the rest? Well, it's not just one factor that makes Onpassive a leader in its field. It's a combination of strategic moves, innovative solutions, and a deep understanding of the market. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed so far. Firstly, we spoke about Onpassive's integration of artificial intelligence. By weaving AI into the fabric of their business operations, Onpassive has managed to stay ahead of the curve. It has allowed them to automate processes, increase efficiency, and provide a seamless user experience. But more than that, it has given them the ability to predict trends and adapt to changes in the market swiftly and effectively. Secondly, we discussed Onpassive's customer-centric approach. They have made it a point to put their customers at the heart of everything they do. From developing new products to refining existing ones, their focus is always on how they can add value to their customers' lives. This is not a common trait in today's business world, and it's certainly something that sets them apart. But it's not just these strategies that make Onpassive a force to reckon with. It's the way they implement these strategies that truly sets them apart. They don't just talk about being customer-centric or leveraging AI, they actually do it. They put their plans into action and continually refine their strategies based on market feedback and changes. Onpassive's success is not just a result of what they do, but how they do it. Their ability to adapt, innovate, and put their customers first has given them a competitive edge in the market. It's this unique combination of strategy and execution that has led to their impressive growth and success in the business world. In the end, it's not about the strategies you have, but how you implement them that counts. And that's something Onpassive has mastered. For more information about Onpassive and how they can help you and your business, please go to the description below. Thank you.